Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's kind of just a random video. I'm just kind of recording whatever that happens. We just got a little electric chainsaw here. You know this channel is an outdoors channel. It's roughly around 30-some degrees out, so it's pretty cold. We have to wear our gloves, and we're going to just cut up a few tree limbs. And there's going to be involving a Polaris 800 Ranger. I'm not going to show much of it because this is not even my property. I'm just helping out here. So, all right, let's just get after it. I gotta find some lube for the chainsaw. You wanna make sure your lube's completely full, and then we're gonna need a battery for this. So let's go ahead and grab that. Once I find it, I'll pick you all back up. All right, I found a little bit of it here. It's the bar and chain lube by SuperTech. I don't know, I don't normally run this in chainsaws, but this is what we've got here. So we're just gonna go ahead and see. It looks okay, it's full. Let's go ahead. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I'm gonna look at that gauge down there. Oh man, I may overflow it. Oh yeah, I'm going to. Okay, what do I do? I'm going to put you all down so I can undo this and throw it away. So, I'll catch you when I get the chainsaw all good and going. Alright, we're done. I got it in there. I didn't even overflow it. I was kind of shocked. But we put the 12 volt, or this is actually not 12 volt, sorry, 40 volt battery in here. And the chain, make sure it's tight. This has no bar, so you can't really set it. I'm used to steel chainsaws because that's what we run. But it's pretty tight. Let's just go ahead and give it a little. You can just have it like one-handed. Let's go ahead and use this thing. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and cold start the Polaris. Put the key in. Not much I can actually show you because this is not my rig. With the Polaris 800, I don't even know what model this is. I'm just using this today. You can just push this down and then your whole wheel should adjust. Trying to do this one hand is also a trick. Alright, it's adjusted. Power steering, e-brake, low, high, neutral, reverse, all of your good old stuff. Well, let's go grab the chain, open the doors, go cut this up, and throw it in the fire pit. Super cold, so we're going to make sure we wear gloves. Sorry for it being awful camera quality. Really cold out, and the phone is hot, so it's getting kind of foggy. This is what we're dealing with. Nothing major here. Dump this load. You can see the pond right there. That's where the tree was sitting, where that sawdust is. Here's our damage right here. Alright, we got it done. Alrighty, we just have a little bit more left and clean up. And then we should be done. big boy. Alright, this is just a simple little, I think we've got most of it all, so that's pretty much it. We cut it up right here, so. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.